right, we are going to do an unboxing / revealing from Stella Rose Jewelry Supply. I'm super excited about this. I have been waiting. Oh my gosh. So we got our birthstone connectors in. I am so excited. So this is January, February. Let's see. So we got one gold filled and one silver of each. So that's January, February, oh, March is beautiful. March, April, May, those are beautiful. June, July, August, September, October, my personal favorite. It's hard to tell in this, but they are a beautiful pink color. It's my birthday. November. And December. So here they are, all of our birthstone connectors. They are absolutely beautiful, and I got another set of them. So I got 2 gold fields each, and then 2 silver, sterling silver each. And these will be connectors for our chains. And you either pick out your own birthstone, or your children's, or your grandchildren's, or your dog's.